Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. How to create glow effect in Photoshop. First type your text and take one more duplicate. Give it your glow color. Now right click, rasterize the layer. Now go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Then OK. Then turn on your text. This time go to layer style, outer glow. Here give it glow color. Select mode to normal. Also do the small changes for size and offset. Now turn on inner shadow. Mode should be multiply. Give it same glow color. Do small changes on size, opacity and distance. So this is how you can create simply glow effects in Photoshop.